In this tutorial, we'll cover how to make a PDF document with scanned images searchable. So there are two ways to do this, so let's cover the first way. So on the right side, you'll see here that we have the option to enhance scans. So we're going to click that, and we'll get another toolbar that opens up here at the top. So you'll see the option recognize text. So we'll click that, and you'll get the option in this file or in multiple files. So we're just going to do this file. Another toolbar opens up below that. So it shows the pages. So now it's selected to all pages, but we're actually going to do a range. So we'll do page range, and we'll do 1 to 10 just for this document. So you see some other options underneath here though. So it shows the language, which is also shown up at the top here, and it shows searchable image. In this case, we're going to do editable text and images, and the reason for that is that I found that it's more accurate if you're going to copy the text from the file into another document. I'll show you. We'll click OK, and now we're ready. So we'll just click recognize text, and it will go through and analyze the text in the document. Alright, so now it's done. Save the file, just do that, and then now you can test it. Let's see, I'll click the find there. So search for manual, and it will show up. You'll see there it's marked, and if I can go through the whole document, and it'll be there. So if I want to copy this text, I can do that too. So let's say I want to have this paragraph right here. Let's see, I'll copy that, and I'll have this document here, and you see that it's actually pretty accurate. So it even have the line breaks right here. So let's cover the second method of doing this. So this is really simple. You just click the search icon, and you can type in anything. But let's just type test, and you click next. And you get a message that says this page contains only an image. Would you like to run text recognition to make the text on this page accessible? So yes, we want to do that. And now we get this dialog box, which is the same one we saw earlier. So in this case, all pages are selected. We'll do the same thing again. We'll just go from 1 to 10 for the range. And English is set here, editable text and images. So the same option we had earlier. Yes, and just go OK. And it goes through the same way as the other method. So this is just a shortcut.